You are probably here because you're type 2 diabetic or maybe you're pre-diabetic and you're looking for some ways to naturally control control your blood sugar. That's awesome. I think that's the way you should approach these things naturally instead of relying on medication. So let's dive right in. Before we get into the tips, let me tell you just a little bit. That's me here giving a presentation to the Rotary Club of Houston, talking about type 2 diabetes. I have more than 20 years of experience helping people either reduce or completely eliminate their medications for type 2 diabetes. So if you want to accomplish this, listen on. Now, you may think that targeting your blood sugar is what you should do. I mean, your doctor talks about blood sugar. The medication that you take targets blood sugar, but that's not really what your main focus should be. I'm not saying you shouldn't pay attention to blood sugar. It just shouldn't be your main focus. So what should your main focus be? That should be insulin resistance and improving insulin resistance. Because when you can change insulin resistance, your body will naturally manage blood sugar better. Medication doesn't change your insulin resistance. And the reason for that is because your blood sugar, under normal circumstances, gets converted into glycogen where it's stored in the liver and muscle tissue. Well, for the vast majority of type 2 diabetics, their liver and muscle tissue is completely full and it has no place to go. And so your body starts putting it in places that it shouldn't be, like your visceral fat, which is really bad. And medication doesn't really affect this at all. So what should you be doing to control your blood sugars naturally and better manage them naturally? The first thing you need to focus on is your diet. And you should start off with a very low carbohydrate diet. And the reason you want to do that is because you put fewer carbohydrates into your system. That will eventually start bringing down your blood sugars, and then it will also eventually start depleting the stores of glycogen in your liver and muscle tissue. Once you get comfortable following a low carbohydrate diet, you can try intermittent fasting. And intermittent fasting really just speeds up the process of improving insulin resistance and depleting those glycogen stores. And then the same thing with exercise. Do a lot of walking, do a lot of resistance training, which both help your body get better at burning fat. And specifically, resistance training will help improve insulin sensitivity at the muscle tissue. And then, of course, you want to sleep better and manage your stress better. So if you do these things, you can start to get a hold of insulin resistance, improving it, and start better managing your blood sugars. Now, if you'd like more, or if you'd like to learn more, comment below the word "more" in all caps or not, and I will send you a free course which includes videos, downloads, tracking sheets, and a whole bunch of goodies that you can access, and I'll send that to you right away. A couple of videos, for example, that are there. One is how the grocery store is sabotaging you, making it difficult for you to get in and out to get just the healthy things that you want. Another one is a video on what your blood sugar should be. So things that as you progress along with your condition and you make improvements, that can help you decide or learn how much improvement you're making. And then there's tracking sheets, a hunger scale, and all kinds of things in the downloads. So remember, if you want access to that, click the word "more," or type the word "more" in a comment, and I'll send all of that to you right away. Regardless, thank you for watching. And I am rooting for you to better manage your blood sugar. Thank you. Bye-bye.